Don't be too quick to think that potatoes and eggs belong only in hurried meals. Today I'm going to show you how to turn them into a tender, supple pizza, rich with layers of flavor, along with a simple secret for making soft, runny eggs that tremble like jelly and feel wonderfully light. Let's begin. We start with the most familiar ingredients. Gently crack the fresh eggs into a bowl, add a tiny pinch of pure salt, and whisk until they form a smooth golden ribbon. Peel the potatoes, then carefully shred them into very fine strands. To remove their cloudy starch and help them reach the perfect tender texture once cooked, let them rest quietly in a bowl of cool water for about 5 minutes. While waiting, let the knife glide gently through a few ripe tomatoes, slicing them thinly and releasing that bright, sunlit tang. Once the 5 minutes have passed, rinse the potatoes again and squeeze them very dry. Now it is time to build the flavor. Place the potatoes in a bowl, then add a little black pepper for warmth, garlic powder for fragrance, a touch of salt for depth, and a little chili powder to awaken the eye. Mix everything well so each strand of potato is coated in a rich layer of seasoning. Heat a pan with a little oil. Gently spread the shredded potatoes across the surface. Cover with a lid and lower the heat, or bring it down to the gentlest setting if you're using an electric stove. Let the warmth slowly soften the potatoes from within. And this is the moment to pour in the beaten egg, letting it flow into every little space. Cover the pan once more, allowing the egg to wrap its arms around the potato strands. Then gently flip the crust so the heat can move through it evenly and cook everything through. Lay the fresh tomato slices across the top, then scatter a rich layer of cheese over them. Once again, place the lid on gently. And while the quiet heat slowly melts the cheese, if this peaceful little kitchen corner is bringing you even a small moment of calm, then stay with me by subscribing to the channel. Because right now, the dish is beautifully complete. The potato pizza is soft and tender, with fragrant strands of melted cheese woven together with the bright red of the tomatoes. To bring a little freshness into this harmony of flavors, a crisp salad makes the perfect finishing touch. Mix a gently rich dressing with the smoothness of egg, a little salt, creamy mayonnaise, the sweetness of condensed milk, and a faint bright note of lemon. Whisk until everything becomes silky and smooth. Lettuce, cucumber, carrot, purple cabbage and white cabbage. All washed clean and sliced thin, their colors layered together. Drizzle the glossy dressing over the top like a soft, cool rain falling across a little garden. And finally, a small miracle with eggs. Add 3 ladles of water to a pan and bring it to a light simmer. Gently crack an egg and let it slip obediently into the water. Place the lid on and set the heat to 1200 watts. 6 minutes immersed in gentle warmth, a quiet stretch of time, just enough. And while we wait, if you love these simple rustic flavors, don't forget to give the video a like. Now, let's take a look at the result. The white is now softly set on the outside, trembling gently like jelly. And when the knife glides through, the golden center flows out in a glossy stream, warm, soft and comforting. Time to enjoy. Tomorrow morning, which of these flavors will you treat yourself to? Tell me in the comments. Goodbye for now, and I hope your kitchen is always filled with calm and unhurried moments.